Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Echo Show 8 beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Amazon Echo Show 8 and remove all packaging materials. Place the Echo Show 8 on a stable surface, ideally near a power outlet. Next, plug the included power adapter into the Echo Show 8 and connect it to the outlet. Once plugged in, the device will automatically power on. Wait for the screen to light up and display the setup instructions. Select your language from the options provided on the screen. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and tap Connect. The device will then attempt to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the Echo Show 8 will download the latest software updates. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. After the updates are complete, your Echo Show 8 will restart automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the device. Next, customize your device settings like clock face and preferred news sources. Consider enabling voice recognition by setting up your voice profile. You can do this by following the prompts on the Echo Show 8 screen. Once everything is set up, explore the different features available. You can ask Alexa for information, control smart home devices, and much more. Familiarize yourself with the touchscreen by swiping and tapping through the interface. Finally, place the device where you'd like to use it most frequently. Your Amazon Echo Show 8 is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.